Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with a late night unboxing video to do. This is coming from my good friends over at MESHARE. Check them out, link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. And we got a little something in here. Definitely will be a nice Christmas gift to anybody owning their own homes, condos. They want to make their homes safer. This is a good way to start. We got the power cord right here. MESHARE and waterproof night vision. Oh yes, security camera, CCTV. Times like now, these are really handy. We got the Wi-Fi, easy to hook up. We're going to show you how to hook this up. Actually I am, but you guys sit tight for that part. Okay, good. Twist, turn. Alright, there we go. And once you find your spot, you can lock it in. So right now it's dark out. I'm gonna have someone come by tomorrow and set it up and show you guys what it looks like outside. Definitely check them out. YouTubers, good company and really good deals on these cameras. Like I said, these are the times to have them. Sucks to say that, but you need to protect your home, have more security. So it comes with those. Here's a wire, or the antenna. And you probably got to scan the app, which we're going to be doing. We'll set up everything in each one. Okay, we just plug it in. Like so. Here's that. Oh yeah, this is nice. Having up that. Just drill it in. There we go. Alright, so there's one of them. And number two, keep these separate. Alright, almost out. Almost there. And we got a couple more. Got the manual. Yeah, we got a QR code you're gonna have to scan. It's for the Google Play or the App Store, Android or iOS. So either or, comes with a nice security sticker for your window or wherever you put it. Make sure it's visible. There we go. Get that out of the way. Let's get the power. Should be an easy hookup to do. So definitely looking forward to it. And definitely liking the new technology that's out. And we got power. There we go. Get that out of the way. We got the screws. We got another power cord. Just plug it in the back. Got the antenna. And we got the unit right here. Same as the other one. Ready to rock and roll. Yeah, it's a little bit late tonight to be installing these. Make sure you got it looped in there pretty well. And then just and make sure you go. Come on. MESHARE, come on. There you go. Sure, it's like, well, it's gonna be different for me once I mount it outside. Right now for setup, it's alright to do like the way I am right now. Shoot. go. Kind of loose. That's what that looks like. I might adjust that a little bit more once I get it positioned right. Alright. There we go. And then number 3 is going to be the same. MESHARE, got the manuals, got the power cords right in here. Got the power, got the mounting brackets, got the antenna. Now we got the device. We got the camera right here. A little noisy. Definitely been a long day, so hopefully everyone made it through their Monday. And now we got Tuesday ahead. There we go. Okay, we got this side. And just plug it in. Here we go. Here we go. Oops. And then have it that way. So we got 3 and the 4th one we have today. A little faster. We already got them set up. I'll be right back setting up the whole camera. Alright, I got the MESHARE plugged right in. Now we're going to take the USB and plug it into this little guy. There we go. Alright. She is rocking. Which way do I have? Okay. So we're going to stare at it for a few seconds. There we go. I'm going to have to grab my other phone and scan the QR. It's this little guy you got to scan. Pull up the app really quick. Should be an easy scan. Boom. Hold on one sec. Alright, I just typed in my Google Play this MESHARE. So I hit install. It'll install it really quick. Gonna load it up. See this QR. Pin. Sign up. gotta sign up really quick. It's gonna take a minute. Alright, this is what the app looks like once you download it. Whoa, has my degrees and everything. That's really sweet. It works with Alexa also. Oh shoot. Oh, okay. This is one. So you might want to keep your QRs together.
Please connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Please enter your Wi-Fi password and make sure that it is correct.
Oh boy.
Please scan the QR code with your device.
All
Hold
right.
the screen in front of the camera until you hear the next message. If you need additional help, tap the help button at the top right.
Alright, it's still registering it. Hold on one sec. Holy smokes, it was easy. It got it connected. Now it's gonna call it front. Skycam. Alright, then it goes like that. I'm set. Alright. Whoa. That quality. Got night vision. Uh-oh. Got the motion. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm liking this. This is a nice camera. And here's a live. Look that way. Yes, see. So it's really easy to hook up. No hooking up to the Ethernet. Just straight up Wi-Fi with a QR code. Check them out. MESHARE. And this is nice. Alright, YouTubers, that's about it for today. You guys be safe. Have a great day. And see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.